Guys, welcome to my Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz AI in a nutshell, this is a software that allows you to create faceless YouTube videos. You can also use these avatars, guys, okay, for social media platforms such as Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or for your TikTok, guys, okay. Remember, if you're not getting access with Vidnoz AI, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can help you get started using Vidnoz AI, guys, okay, to create the faceless videos, guys, okay. So what you can do actually here, guys, with this software is you can see that there are so many AI avatars that you can choose from, guys, okay, based on the thing that you want to do. If let's say that you want to create a faceless channel, you can just click here, guys, okay, and preview this. I'm just gonna click here and preview.
Welcome to this video template. Create videos to report the latest news.
So as you can see that these are all of the things that these some of the templates that comes with this software. As you can see that, guys, it is so easy to use this software, guys, okay. And also the quality of this software, guys, it is much better. And also the AI voices, guys, they don't sound like a human, so they don't sound like a bot, guys. They sound like a human, guys, okay. So what you can do actually here, guys, okay, there's some of the AI avatars that you can use, guys. You can see that there are also 434 AI avatars on this software, guys, okay. You can just choose here and choose any avatars that you want to use. If they say that for a teacher, you want to use this one. For HR managers, all of these, and for sales, you can use all of these AI avatars, guys, okay. If they say that you want to preview all of these, you're just gonna click here, guys, okay, and just click here to preview this Anthony. Let's see. Let's give you some time to load it up.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So as you can see that, okay, the quality, it sounds good, guys, okay. Let me just preview some of these avatars here, guys, okay. I'm just gonna click here for a teacher. It's Hannah. I'm gonna preview.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So as you can see that, guys, okay, there's this movement of this AI avatar. There's this movement. So what you can do actually here, guys, okay, you can just click here to edit, or you can just click here to generate this avatar, generate a video using this avatar. So you can also choose a landscape, guys, okay. If let's say that you want to use for YouTube, you can just use this one, guys. For Instagram Reels, you can use this one, this format, this portrait format. Just use a landscape for, let's say, for YouTube videos. I'm just gonna click here to generate this avatar. When I click here to generate this avatar, let's give it some time. I'm just gonna click here, and then it's gonna I'm gonna do some edits using these elements or these features that comes with the Vidnoz AI, guys, okay. Let's give it some time to load it up, okay. So, and what you can do, guys, okay, you can also make money using this software, guys, okay. You can also sell these services such as on platforms like Fiverr or on Upwork, okay. You can also sell you can also sell these services. So if I go here to Upwork, so if I go here to Fiverr, if I go here to fiverr.com, just if I go here to fiverr.com, I'm just showing you things that some of the other ways that you can make money, guys, okay, by selling this kind of service from platforms like Fiverr. I'm just gonna click here and say AI talking avatars, AI talking avatar. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So what you can see actually here, guys, okay, is you can see that these are the people that they are charging. They're charging money for these kind of services, guys, okay. This is my own currency, guys, okay. So as you can see that, I'm just gonna try and preview this, okay. So what these people they are doing, they are using softwares like Vidnoz AI, okay, and also they are creating these kind of videos, and then they are selling these gigs, guys, okay, this kind of gig on Fiverr, guys, okay. And so they charge clients for these kind of services, guys, okay. And that's how these people they make money, guys, okay, by trading these kind of services, guys. So you can do the same thing as well, guys, okay. So now let me show you now how to use Vidnoz, guys. So what you can do actually here, guys, okay, you can just click here and enter your own script here, guys, okay. You can just click here and enter. You can delete all of those things. You can also, guys, okay, use subtitles. You can also use subtitles, okay. You can also choose the AI voice. the AI voice, guys. Okay, here you can see there's so many AI voices that you can able to choose, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna preview this one. Let's see.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in
So
minutes.
as you can see that, okay, this AI voice, it sounds good. It's a South African voice. I'm in South Africa as well. I'm happy about this. I'm just gonna click here, use.
Vidnoz AI brings your
I'm gonna use that one, guys. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna scroll down. I think I'm gonna scroll here, and then just gonna use the voice. It's applied automatically. I'm just gonna click here to apply. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna enter a script, guys. Okay, you can use ChatGPT, guys. Okay, to write a script. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT to write a script for me automatically. But guys, what you can do, you can just write a script. You can write a script manually, guys. I'm gonna say ChatGPT, write for me why AI avatars AI avatars are good for your online business. We're gonna click here to enter. So what's gonna happen now, ChatGPT is gonna give me a script that I can use, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this because I'm just gonna pause it because I don't want to make this video too long, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this script from ChatGPT. I'm just gonna copy this. Guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to Vidnoz AI. I'm just gonna paste this like here, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna oops, how can I paste? I don't know, but I supposed to paste it here, guys. Okay, why it doesn't allow me here? I supposed to paste it like this. So what you can do actually, guys, you can also upload your own voice, guys. Okay, with this software. This is some of the cool features. This is some of the cool features about this software. You can also use this software, guys, okay, to write content for you automatically. But now this video, I'm just gonna click here to generate, guys. Okay, you can also preview. I'm just gonna click here to preview it. I already previewed. I'm just gonna click here. Let's see. Let's give it some time to load it up because the first time, guys, as well, I'm trying this software, so I'm making this video in front of you.
AI avatars can significantly benefit your online business by enhancing.
Okay, that's the preview voice, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here to generate. So when I click here to generate, it's supposed to come up with the movement, or let's give it some time. As you can see that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this one, it is processing, it is generating. I'm gonna pause the video, guys. Okay, and I'll come back when it is done. Okay, so now, guys, it is done. Let's see how does it sound like.
AI avatars can significantly benefit your online business by enhancing customer engagement, improving user experience, and streamlining various aspects of your operations. Here are several reasons why incorporating AI avatars can be advantageous.
So as you can see that, guys, okay, it has some movement. Okay, so what you can do is you can just click here to download. It's gonna be downloaded straight on your laptop or on your PC, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And so don't forget, guys, okay, to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with Vidnoz AI, guys. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.